Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Club Factory haul. So I got totally 19 items for 1746 rupees only. So I don't know the exact prices now because I don't remember it now. But while I'm showing the product, I'll be displaying the price somewhere here. So keep on watching. So this is how this time the back being like. So it is a beautiful, pretty. It has these teddy bears and the color is also very nice. So let's go to the products now. So I got few items which I already started using. So at the end of the video, I'll be showing you a short video clip of that too. So the first item is this one. So as you can see, it is so dirty. I was using this for about 2 to 3 months, and due to the heat of the phone, it got dirty like this. But this is a very nice transparent cover for your iPhone, and it has these rose gold edges to it. It is very nice. I think I got it for a very cheap price, so that's why I picked this up. So the next items are all in this package which I put together to show you guys. So the next item is, so everybody knows about this product. This is the Tinkle eyebrow eraser. So I started using eyebrow erasers for my face and everything. So I got one packet of this. So yeah. So the next item is kind of different one. So these are kind of spiral rods. So here you have the instructions. So you have to just tie this rod like this in your hair, and you have to lock the hair. So you have to leave this one like overnight, and next day you'll get like soft curls. So I got like, I don't know, like 12 or 9 pieces of them. So it comes in a package like this, and I really wanted to try some stuff from like this to curl my hair. If it works, I'll be doing a video of this too. So yeah, so that's the next product which I got. The next item is this is like pop socket one. So you cannot choose the pattern which you want. So I got this cute unicorn kind of pattern. So really loved it. It comes in a packaging like this. I removed it. I want to started using that too. And then I have a bracelet which is so pretty. So this bracelet comes in 3 colors totally. So again I got in rose gold color. As you all know, rose gold is my favorite as of now. So this is how the bracelet looks like. Really nice one. So that's another product which I got. So the next item which I got are kind of hair bands. So these have these kind of braided pre-braided hair bands. So this will look so pretty if you wear it on your hair. So I got one of them, and I got 2 more hair bands too. So the next hairband which I got is this kind of floral hairband. So if you want to take any photo shoots or something like that, this will look so pretty. So I got one of them which is so pretty. Again, this adds some elastic to it. So yeah, I got that one. Then I got one more hairband. I got one more hairband which is kind of different. I don't know whether you people would have come across this. This is the first time I'm seeing this kind of hairband. This is quite heavy and it looks so pretty when you wear it, but this one just ties up with your hair, so it is a little bit difficult to remove it. So that's that. Then I got neck piece. So this is a silver chunky neck piece. I remember I got this for a very cheap price. That's why I picked this up. So this is how the neck piece looks like. Really nice neck piece. So yeah, and the quality is also very nice as of now. I have used it like 2 or 3 times and it's very nice. So that's that. Then I got like few more items are there. I got one more silver jewelry. So this is a silver earring. So This one is so pretty, guys. Whenever I wear this, everybody will ask me where I got this from. Let me wear it and show to you. So this is how the piece looks like. So it's really really nice. Okay, now it does not suit me because I'm wearing this choker, but this earring is really nice, guys. So that's that. And then I got few more items. So I got like 2 hair bands. It is kind of your real hair. So one is this kind of bridal hair band which you saw previously, that is big one, and this is small one. So on a day-to-day usage you can use this kind of hair band. So that's that. Then I got this one. This is like real hair. We have to just tie it out, but this is quite damaged. As you can see, some hairs are coming out, so I need to fix this up. So that's that one I got. And then I have like few more jewelry items. Let me open this. So there's a bracelet here. So this is how the bracelet looks like. Very 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 pretty. Sorry, I don't think it's a bracelet, it's an anklet. So this is a one leg anklet. Even if you want to use as a bracelet, you can use this. This is like a multi-purpose thing. So that is one item which I got. And then I have chain which is so pretty. I always end up getting some gold chains in Club Factory. They are really 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 nice. So this is how it looks like. So at one hand it has this cute bird over it. So it has this cute bird. So this is how the chain looks like. So if you use this like for one hand, it has this cute bird over it. So it has this cute bird. So this is how the chain looks like. So if you use this like 4 or 5 times, this will go off for sure. The color will go off. I have used main chains from Cup Factory. It is not that good quality, but still if you want to try differently, you can just buy it because those chains are so cheap. And then I got this pretty neck piece. You would have come across this neck piece for sure, but one pearl or that stud is missing here, so it looks awkward now. I need to fix it up. So that's that. Okay, and I have few more items which I'm using, so I'll be showing you at the end of the video. Keep on checking that too. So when you nowadays Club Factory sends you these kinds of stickers. So this time I got this Kolkata sticker. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, this is